Believe it or not, the smell of freshly baked bread once wafted across Buffalo, New York. Its origins? A factory that not only nourished the city, but also embodied the spirit of an era. Yet today, the sprawling building is little more than a ghost of its former self, and the land where this abandoned factory came to stand played a significant role in Buffalo's development. The factory is situated in Buffalo's MLK Park neighborhood, an area steeped in history. This land was once part of Buffalo's grand urban planning during the 19th century, much of it influenced by landscape architect Frederick Law Olmsted, the visionary behind Central Park in New York City. The neighborhood featured lush green spaces and was seen as a retreat from the bustling industrial center of Buffalo. In 1903, George Urban Sr., a prominent businessman, acquired the land. Urban's acquisition marked the beginning of a transition from natural beauty to industrial powers. By 1914, a state-of-the-art flour mill was constructed on the site, leveraging Buffalo's strategic location on the Great Lakes and its proximity to transportation networks like the Erie Canal and the burgeoning rail lines. But it wasn't until 1923 that bread became the true star. The transition from George Urban's mill to the Wonder Bread factory was not immediate. In 1923, the Buffalo Mill became part of this exciting new chapter as Continental Baking Company acquired the Target Baking Company and converted Urban's mill into a Wonder Bread factory. Over the next few decades, the factory would become a cornerstone of the local economy, employing hundreds of workers and producing thousands of loaves daily. The factory's architecture reflected its industrial purpose, with large windows and sturdy bricks. Its towering smokestack, emblazoned with the words Ward's Bakery, became a visual landmark. As America changed, the city's industrial base, which had sustained the economy for decades, began to erode. Factories like the Wonder Bread facility saw declining production to the point that by the early 2000s, the Interstate Bakeries Corporation, which owned Wonder Bread, filed for bankruptcy. The Buffalo factory finally closed its doors in 2004. The loss of jobs contributed to economic decline in the surrounding area, and the building began to decay. Canadian developer Harry Stinson purchased the property in the 2010s, with grand plans to convert it into a mixed-use facility. For now, the factory remains in limbo, a potential symbol of renewal waiting for its next chapter. The Wonder Bread factory stands as a haunting reminder of Buffalo's industrial glory days, a crumbling relic that invites curiosity and trespassers alike. It still feeds the imagination for those who pass by it. So, what do you think the future holds for this abandoned factory? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Click subscribe to support the channel. Until next time, I'm Ryan Socash, signing off.